Hello, my dear student. I am Assistant Professor Neha Pal, and today we are learning about communication skill. In it, we will learn about the personal and professional success by using the communication skills. So, here, the very first stage of communication skill, we need to know what is the meaning of communication. So, communication is a process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, or feelings between two or more people through spoken words, written communication, either using our gestures, postures, or body languages. So, we can say that communication skills are the ability that allow you to effectively share and receive the information, ideas, and the feelings. It play a crucial role. It play a vital role in personal and professional life. So here we will learn about the communication process. In this picture you can see here's the process of communication. So when we want to know the process of communication, first we need to know here are two parties. The first one is sender and the second one is called receiver. So the process of communication go through in between the two persons. So in this picture you can see here when the sender encoding a message, when someone tried to speak, tried to share the information, feelings to another person. So that is the part we can say it's encoding part. So in this picture you can see sender encoding the message by using some channel. It should be your voice, it should be some noise, either it should be written communication, it should be your facial expression and etc. So after the sending the message by using the channel, the receiver person decode the message. It means the receiver person should be able to understand, should be able to listen that words or the message. That part is called decoding. And who is the decoder here? The receiver person is decoder here. Now after receiving the message, what is the next step? The receiving the message, the next step is goes to feedback. It means when someone talk to us, someone say something to us, and then after the listening part we can reply to them, either we can give a feedback about the message. So that is the criteria where we can say it is a whole process of communication. Now, in this picture, we will learn about the types of various communication. So, here are several parts of communication in which we can go through with the verbal communication. It means where we can use our vocal cord. It means we are saying something. So, that is the part of spoken words. We can say it's a verbal communication. Either the second part, non-verbal communication, where we are using the body language, we are using gestures, postures, but not using the word. So this is the criteria of non-verbal communication. The next part is called communication is written communication, where we are using our writing part by conveying messages through letters, emails, texts. Now the next part is visual communication. Visual communication is where we can visualize the thing, where we can see, we can watch the things by using the charts, graphs, and any other criteria. Somewhere we are using holdings, templates. So this is called the visual communication. At the other hand, there are so many parts of it. It should be, for example, it should be group communication, should be formal, informal communication, it should be interpersonal or intrapersonal communication. So in detail we can go through with our next video. Now the next stage is communication skills, 7 C's of communication skills. So how we can create a happier, healthier communication with another person? So let's see. If you want to share something to another person, if you are using the communication, so you need to know about the 7 C's of communication. Which are the 7 C's? Let's see here. The first is called clear. It means the message of yours should be very clear. It should be uh, here you can use the clear words. There are no fumbling, there are no repetition of words. It means the clear words exactly you need to use here. The second point says concise. It means the message should be point to point. Accuracy you need to be create in your message. The next part says concrete. So in it we can speak. We are using the message by speaking, by texting, whatever the way we are using here. So it should be very clear, not too much fizzy, not detail oriented. We need to create a appropriate detail, which is the words, the word vocabulary we need in the message. We need to showcase all the things, but not too much lengthy in it. The next part is called correct. Your message should be very correct, and then there are no grammatical mistake, no repetition of words. The next part is called coherent. It means your make a message. It should be in a flow. It should be a logical meaning in the for the receiver person. The next part is says completeness. It means your message should be complete. It means if you are talking to someone, you need to complete your sentence. You are texting somewhere, so you need to text properly, completely. Okay. The next part is says courteous. Your message should be polite, friendly, and professional to your receivers. So, I hope you all understand. If we are learning the communication skills, so we need to connect with the 7 C's of communication. It means if we are creating a better communication to the another person, we need to learn these things, and then we can by using the things we can understanding the way of communication, and it's a step of learning the communication skills. Thanks for watching. Now in our next video we will go for details. Thank you.